Hey guys, Denise here from Sewlimitless, and in today's video I'm just going to talk to you a little bit about PDF patterns. That's what we're going to talk about today, so let's get to it. So this topic came to mind the other day when I had this fabric. I have this pattern here. It's McCall's 7026. It's an older pattern. I'm not sure from when, 2014, but it's out of print right now, but it's one of my favorite jacket patterns, like for workout, that type of thing. So I wanted to see if I could get this pattern. They have it available, but it's in a PDF. So I did actually print it out, and I put together just the pieces that I needed. I basically printed out the whole thing, but what I did is I only put together those pieces that I really needed. That actually worked out really well. That's what this is. That is currently in process. For me, putting together PDFs is honestly part of the process. So it's sort of therapeutic in a weird way. I will put music on, or I'll have a movie or something, or a TV show playing in the background. So it's really not something that I hate. You know, you get that pattern you can have right away, versus either having to go to the store and get it or having to wait for it to arrive in the mail. A couple of tips I wanted to give you. What I do is I save mine on a flash drive. I also back up my computer to an external hard drive. So basically I end up with those patterns saved in a couple of different places. And I also want to show you some of the ways that I store my PDF patterns. I just hang them on here, and if you can see this rack back here behind the button storage in the front, PDF patterns that I've used and printed out, that is how I will store some of them. And I will show you another way that I also store my PDF patterns. These are all different PDF patterns, and I have these like accordion files that I use. They're these files right here, and they expand a few inches, and all I've done is put them in here based on what they are. I've got tops, bottoms. It's just very general. So after they're printed and everything, I will often just put them in these manila envelopes, and I like to, sometimes I'll put the picture of what it is on the outside of the envelope. The larger ones are the ones that are more difficult to deal with. Those are the ones that I actually keep hanging. And sometimes I'll just put it in an envelope just with the name, and I'll put the instructions inside just so I have everything together. If you do use PDF patterns, how you can sort of keep them organized, keep them together. Let me know down in the comments, do you all use PDF patterns? Like I said, I know a lot of people hate them. I really don't have any feeling about them one way or the other, to be honest, but let me know how you guys feel about them. That's an idea as far as storage is concerned. Now, as far as what I'm working on right now, I'm working on finishing up this jacket. Like I said, it is McCall's 7026. But anyway, this is what I'm working on. This is a stretch polar fleece in a nice baby blue. And of course, there's going to be sleeves. But it's coming along really well. This is actually a pattern I've used before, and it ended up being one of my favorite, like, athletic type jackets. Let me know in the comments what you all are up to. Let me know how you feel about PDF patterns. And yeah, that's it for this video. Please give it a like if you would, and you can subscribe to my channel. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you all in the next video. You guys take care. Thank you. Bye-bye.